I spilled water on myself. Hey guys, I'm Allie, and today I went to practice the makeup that I plan on wearing to my friend's wedding tomorrow. I didn't know what makeup to put in my suitcase, so I figured I'd do like a test run and figure out what I actually want to take with me. I look put together, but I'm not like stealing attention, which is the vibe I'm going for. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys. Bye!
Here's to all the bad decisions that you didn't judge. All the love yous and the hate yous and the secrets that you told me. Here's to everyone but mostly us. There's a couple billion people in the world, and 100 million places we could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to take it in, 'cause every high and every low led to this. I'm just so glad you exist. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, look what a hello from a stranger turned into. Caught up in a moment like it's just us in this room. All the right words at the right time, and you know them 'cause you know me better than anyone else. We don't need anyone else. There's a couple billion people in the world, yeah, and 100 million places we could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to take it in, 'cause every high and every low led to this. I'm just so glad you exist. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't you ever go, don't you ever go, don't you ever go changing. Never let me go, never let me go, never let me go, baby. Don't you ever go, don't you ever go, don't you ever go changing. Never let me go, never let me go, never let me go, baby. Couple billion people in the world, yeah, yeah, and 100 million places we could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to take it in, 'cause every high and every low led to this. I'm just so glad you exist. Ooh, 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 ooh. In a time full of war, be peace. In a time full of doubt, just believe. Yeah, there ain't that much difference between